How to hide Reels icon on Facebook app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Facebook on a device. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Again scroll down. Now under preferences, simply tap on tab bar. Then tap on customize the bar. Now on this page you can find video or reels. Next to it, simply tap on pinned. Now select hide. Now simply go back, refresh the page, go back to the home screen. Now restart Facebook. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.